I do live. Hello, guys. The White House is not here. Help on here. Yeah, no, not bad. I think I said I road with this. Hello, guys. Trying to reverse. Trying to reverse. Hello, people. Yeah, we are out. Off to a party. I don't see come Nigeria. You know, say December, January for Nigeria and a party. You can't say no. You can't escape it. How you guys doing? How do you see my look? So guys, the party we are going to, I'm going to be live, of course. I'm going to be live on my page. So I'm not going to do the live here. Get used to it, guys. It's going to be on my page, okay? Not on this platform. So I just want to inform us down that very soon I'm going to be live, or it's going to be on Ebony Obasi TV, my page. So get ready to join me there. Be live with me. I'm off to a party, and it's a party that I can't say no to. I need to go. I need to be there. So long as I'm in Nigeria, I need to attend party. I honor invitation a lot. A lot of you here know I honor invitation a lot. I don't care if you've honored me before, but so long as I'm available and I have the time. Yeah, I will share. Yeah. I will share. I'll go on live there and share to this account. But I want to make my major account be there so that everybody can reach me. Just go and follow me at Ebony Obasi TV. Okay, I'm gonna come back live later, and in the next maybe 20-30 minutes we'll be there. Then thank you. I'm fucking beautiful, of course. Oh, thank you guys so much. Thank you. I love y'all. Quincy, that my big bag. You'll get a sexy one, right? It's there with you there, right? Check inside. You'll see cotton board. Just give me for ear. Of course, Lady of Song. Your song is a born singer. You already know that. I'm rocking her song. I'm rocking her song, guys. So my people, I'm gonna come on live soon. I'm sorry, I'm teary, guys. So I need to dry my tears. I'm teary. Keep happening to me, especially this particular eye. Take her back, okay? They need them, man. So guys, how you lot doing? Hope you guys are okay. Special appreciation to you all that have been following me, that have been loving me, that has been supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. Trust me. I remain your humble girl, Ebony Obasi, aka Edo Fed's daughter, aka the queen of Edo movies, aka the biggest Edo actress, aka the ghetto tata one of UK, aka the unstoppable, aka the unshakable, aka the unapologetic Ebony Obasi. Now we there. The title too plenty, I beg. Title too plenty. Title too plenty, and here comes the lady of song, the lady of music, the female sap musician. In America, women. You get the point now. You don't say I do nyash. Don't listen. I Pierre where you were. I do nyash, guys. Latest news. I just go to join my nyash. So that make her for Quincy husband. Okay, is that true? Okay, no, this is baby. Guys, I'm looking beautiful. I'm too fine. Mayala. Okay. Okay, my turn. That's okay. Let me turn. Okay, guys, we're moving to Edo's first daughter, the queen of Edo movies, the biggest actress out south, the richest female actress, the most beautiful actress in Benin, the sexiest of us. Let me get Nyash pass. But it's true. Okay, the biggest Nyash. Mama Lisa said, "Oh, we don't stream now." He want to put out, but if he has more men, we say, he want men, we say. But I don't know that they want to reception. I don't understand the. Let me follow you. Yeah, I won't follow so. Huh? So guys, I love you all so much. I too fight trouble. Wait till I do. I don't want to leave me. All this kind of you too fight trouble. I don't they like them. I know if you come live video for my page again in peace. I bet me all of you go Ebony over TV more continue the discussion. You understand? Oh my God! If they go carry, no worry. Yes, now. Yeah, I can hear you. It's alright. It's okay. Mona, calm down. If they come back, we'll carry. I'm sorry, Mona, no cry. Don't cry, ladies. Children. I don't say I get big nyash. Mona, respect to myself. So guys, I'm looking so beautiful these days. When you can we risk we talk where I know that sound I want to talk for this my live video. Ha, now wow. You say I fine. I too fine, the finest. Babe, let me if I pass for this industry, I beg. Who we talk where? We have a talk where maybe bubble where. Okay. Now me get money. Yes, now. So people can say that I be the richest actor for Nigeria. Now me slim pass. Are we your slim? Asimo. But he might do account. I hear that one. You sleep for body, but your account fat. My friend say you don't make me, but don't account. EJ, I hear that one, babe. I hear that one. But me want money, some me go with your boys. Only some women. Only some women in yayo. Me ba favor your boy. Only some women. You want only some energy. O se women. EJ, squeak was se boy body. Now you tell you worry. I don't worry you. I'm outspoken, I'm outstanding. I gallant. I don't school. Every agweme. Boyfriend, even have to love you. Yeah. My people. They make me the fear. It be like Lady Gaga makeup. I be Lady Gaga now. Troublesome. I don't get joy. I feel remove my cap anytime. They get some. Guys, we are out today. Not sleeping tonight. Mona rush go my page, oh. Now my page now want for do every other live video. I know they come here again for today, oh. Take notes. From here we won't go chop suya, ram suya. Agariemi. Mega is a color. Only so you will be out here. So you're going to be the fattest girl in Benin. Fattest girl. Mom only say, argue with your iPhone. I get show. You don't get. I get breast. You don't get. I get I get breast. You get breast. You don't get nyash. Which means? It's a big package. Yeah, you dey try. But I me get nyash pass. So guys, I think I will have to go now so I can concentrate well on my driving.
We're on express right now.
We are getting to express, and you know there are some madmen driving in this country.
You know they're working all right.
Right now, I'm already steady. Okay guys, I gotta go, okay? See you guys later. Share this video. I'll be on my page later. I love you guys. Don't forget, I still remain your humble girl, Ebony Obasi, aka Edo First Daughter, aka Ebony Billion, aka the Queen of Edo movie, aka the sexiest girls in Edo movie, aka the richest girl in Edo movie, aka the only girl in Edo movie.
Yeah.
No, bye bye. Kisses.